5.17. This one is also theoretical one. Answer the following questions. A. Explain qualitatively on the basis of domain picture the irreversibility in the magnetization curve of a ferromagnetic. Now see, for ferromagnetic substance, when we magnetize it and demagnetize it, so in that particular case, we will get the magnetization curve. That is the hysteresis curve. But during the magnetization and the demagnetization, the loss of energy in the form of heat that takes place. Okay. So the energy which one is utilized to magnetize it, the same energy that will not be obtained during its demagnetization. And therefore, you will not get the reversible curve for it. And that particular loss of energy in the form of heat that can be calculated with the area enclosed by that hysteresis loop. Clear? B. The hysteresis loop of a soft iron piece has much smaller area than that of a carbon steel piece. If the material is to go through repeated cycles of magnetization, which piece will dissipate greater heat energy? Obvious, carbon steel piece, because here it is given to you the hysteresis loop of the soft iron has a smaller area than carbon steel, and the area enclosed by the hysteresis loop that give you the loss of energy in the form of heat. C. A system displaying a hysteresis loop such as a ferromagnetic is a device for storing memory. Explain the meaning of this statement. So magnetization of the ferromagnetic is not a single valued for a particular field. Depends both on the magnetizing field and on the history of magnetization. It implies that how many cycles of magnetization it has gone through. So the value of magnetization is a record or memory of its cycles in magnetization. If information bits can be made to correspond to these particular cycles, the system displaying such a hysteresis loop can act as a device for storing information. Now D, what kind of ferromagnetic material is used for coating magnetic tapes in a cassette player or for building memory stores in modern computer? So ferrites or ceramics, which is specially treated barium iron oxides, are used for that. E. A certain region of space is to be shielded from magnetic fields. Suggest a method. Simple thing. By surrounding the region with soft iron rings, as magnetic field lines will be drawn into the rings and the enclosed space becomes free of magnetic field. So in this way, you can shield any certain region from the magnetic field. Clear?